Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Ambilight is flickering on Philips PFS6939 TV. In order to stop your Ambilight from flickering, let's adjust the settings for your Ambilight. So first of all, navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down to Ambilight settings right here. And then if you have the style like standard, sports, cinema, gaming or music, then you're gonna have to adjust the speed dynamics of your Ambilight color. To do that, go to Ambilight personalization menu and here select the dynamics that will cause less flickering. So I do not expect experience much flickering with the slow dynamics. So if you have faster dynamics, then maybe that's what causes the issue. Also adjust the brightness. Usually the lower the brightness is, the more flickering you may experience. So try increasing the brightness to the point where you're still comfortable with it. And if you don't want to experience no flickering at all, then okay, first of all, disable Ecorium Adaptive, as it may somewhat drastically switch your Ambilight colors, and they may go from very bright to very dimmed way too fast. So just disable Ecorium Adaptive to make your Ambilight more static. And if you want to just use one static color instead of the dynamic one, go to Ambilight style and switch it to fixed color. And after switching it to fixed color, everything should be fine, and you should experience no flickering at all. Now also in advanced, make sure to select wall behind your TV and calibrate your Ambilight color according to the wall color behind your TV. So just select your wall color from the palette and then go back to this menu. And if the problem isn't fixed by now, then maybe your TV has a power supply issue. And if it does, try using your TV with another outlet. Maybe try switching the outlet with another one, because maybe this is a power supply issue. And so that's basically it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.